Here we go. Draz. Tops, Chrome, UEFA Champions League Women's Final Box. Oh, what happened? Alan, the $100 is somewhere in limbo? Hold on 1 second, Draz. So, Alan, good news and bad news. Good news is I'm assuming it's the code that ended in GL. No, you did it right, because if it gave you the message saying that, you know what I mean, that it accepted it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna email developers, let them know, hey, he did it right. He got the confirmation that his code went in. He won a team. It did not use his code, just to see if they can run a test on that and see what happened. Yeah. The good news is, though, I think it's the code that ends in GL, that the 100's still there. So it looks like it just didn't trigger usage for whatever reason. So that was one of the last. We just got that kind of. Yeah, it was a workaround. I'm not happy with it. I don't like it how it is. I'd rather just be like, hey, no coupons on pick your price and just use them on regular, you know. But I don't like that either. So, Kuma guy. That's nice. Tobin Heath, refractor. U.S. Women's National Team star. Yeah, set apply. Yeah, when you put it into the, that's so weird. Wasmuth, goal machines. Yeah, we'll see if they can test it out and see if they can repeat the issue. Andres for Real Madrid, green /99. Graz is like, I'd appreciate an autograph. I think it might be here. You got 2 silvers in a row. So Iwabuchi for Arsenal. And Caroline Moeller, Real Madrid rookie auto refractor. Ready? Technically you can't. What I always tell people is like, hey, look, if you're ever going to buy into a random team or a pick your team or anything but a pick your price, just use your coupons over there. It's so much easier. We can make them work on a pick your price, but unless you're exclusive to pick your price, just use them on the other stuff, because it's just like a normal checkout that way, right? Neam Charles. Clara Buell, Bayern Munich. And to be clear, it's not your guys' fault that they're hard to use. It's completely our side, but it's just not an easy fix. Zad Brazil, Bayern Munich. That girl's on fire /75. My voice is a bit gone from the Cade Cunningham yell earlier, so. Sandra Panos, refractor. I won't try to get that song going, you know what I mean? And then here's a gold. Giovanna Demjanovic. /50. Jeez. Green, gold, fire. Yeah. Like I said, that's just the easiest way to do it. You know, we could totally use them on PYP, and we thought we had a system set up to where it would work, but apparently not working. Negrao for Benfica, refractor rookie. Agnes Bonfantini, refractor rookie. Oh, what do we got? Pinky? Pinky and the brain. Hey Drads, did I make up for the missing auto? Claudia Zornoza, pink, whatever they call that one. Pink refractor auto to 150. Double dip, both for Real Madrid. Martins for Barcelona. And Clara Buell, refractor rookie, to finish it off. Graz, there you have it.